In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Surfshark authentication error. This issue usually appears when the app can't verify your account session, often because a login token has expired or your saved credentials are out of sync. The good news is that it's quick to fix, and you only need to try two things. Start by signing out of Surfshark, then signing back in. Open the Surfshark app on your device and head to the Settings or Account section, where you'll find the option to log out. Confirm the sign out, then fully close the app to clear the current session. Reopen Surfshark and sign in again with your account credentials. Type your email and password carefully and watch for extra spaces if you're pasting. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to avoid typos. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code from your Authenticator app or text message when prompted. After a successful sign-in, try connecting to a server to confirm everything is working as expected. This simple refresh resolves most authentication glitches by issuing a clean session. If you're still seeing the error after signing back in, reset your password. On the Surfshark login screen, tap or click Forgot Password. Enter the email associated with your account and check your inbox for the reset message. If you don't see it within a minute or two, look in your spam or junk folder and make sure you're checking the right email inbox. Open the reset link promptly, since these links usually expire for security reasons. Create a new, strong password that you haven't used before. A good approach is to use a password manager to generate something long and unique, then save it so you won't have to remember it. Once the password is updated, return to the Surfshark app and sign in with your new credentials. If your browser or device prompts you to update the saved password, confirm that change to prevent the old one from autofilling later. After logging in, connect to a server to verify that the authentication error is gone. To recap, the two fixes are straightforward. First, log out and back in to refresh your session. If that doesn't work, reset your password and sign in again with the new one. These steps resolve the vast majority of Surfshark authentication errors quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back online securely within minutes.